Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is about a Mintra accessories haul which I use on day-to-day basis and most of you guys like it so much. I thought I'll share it with you guys. The first one, the most favorite of everyone and mine as well. The best part of this piece is I've been wearing this for almost a year and no color has gone even with the hot water bath. See how beautiful it looks. It elevates the complete look. If you are wearing any deep neck or scoop neck, it looks very perfect. This is my topmost actually. This is my second own most neck piece. It's a silver in tone and it has a stud inside. It's part of the chain itself. It is not hanging down separately. And this is also color proof. It did not become dark after wearing it. It's very delicate, looks very pretty. So if you are wearing a silver tone, if you are doing a silver tone accessories, this goes very good with this. And with this I usually wear my silver earrings, the small ones. This one is my most favorite these days. This is also from Mintra. This one the brand Carlton London. It costed me a bit more, like I mean maybe 400-500, but it's worth investing actually. No color has gone. The shine is very good. It looks very pretty. Let me show you how it looks. It's my go-to earring almost on all outfits. If I'm not accessorizing differently, like I'm adding any statement jewelry to my outfit, this is what I wear. This is very pretty and worth investing. The next one is this rose gold one. This is also color proof. It doesn't become dark after putting in water or daily use it. This has very cute pendant down. Looks very pretty. If you're wearing any floral things, short dresses. Let me show you how it looks. See, it's very pretty. It's not that costly. It costed me around I think 250 rupees. That's it. It was little expensive. This is 18 karat gold coated. It costed me around 1200 I guess, but it is yellow gold. I usually pair this if I want to layer the neck pieces. I wear this first, then I add my usual the black piece I have. This one, they look great together. Let me show you. Add this first, and then it is so much trend these days layering different ones. And this combo is my most favorite, and have paired it in many outfits. It looks very nice actually. And I wore this with one of the sari as well once to the office. And another investment I did was this, again this color proof, I mean, 18 karat gold plated bracelet I took. This is again from Cotton London, I guess. But somehow this came off. I don't know how, but still I wear it this way. I actually wear this and try it this way. It is actually good, very classy. But somehow the hook has come out for me. I think it was defective. I didn't check properly. It is nice. The no color has not gone for this as well. If you're a small wrist girl like me, this fits perfectly. Guys, this is like, these hoops are like best investment I have done. No color has gone, anti-tarnish. gold and silver. They come in pair together. I think I paid 250 rupees for both of them together. Very good, worth investing, and I paid them a lot on day to day days. All almost like even on sometimes on kurta and all these Pinteresty outfits when I create, they look really great. And if you like this vibrant earrings, these are the best ones. I think I got this almost like 4 5 years back. This is like coral shell earring actually. Oh, very pretty. Let me show you how it looks actually. Love it. Look at them, how pretty they are. I've got this piece. This I bought almost a year ago for my last year birthday. I've never worn actually, it's been a year. But I somehow love this. Like, I thought I'll wear a white shirt and I'll add it in the layers. But I never got a chance to style this actually. This is also 18 karat gold plated. I mean, you can wear it on sari as well, some silk sari and all. Maybe whenever I style, I'll post a video on this. This is another piece. This I got some new jewelries recently, which I've not worn actually. This is one of that. I thought for a grand kurti set, I can pair this. Let me show how it looks. Yes, I loved it. First time I'm trying them. It's very pretty, right? And I think this costed 250 rupees to me. And it's worth. It's not that heavy. It's lightweight. I don't know whether it is seen properly. Yeah. I don't have so much of oxidized jewelry with me. So one day I thought let me take few. So when the recent Mintra sale was going on, I got 3 oxidized sets and every set costed me just 110 rupees. Okay, next up is this one I got. And with this we have this big earrings, which are very big for me to carry. What I'll do, I'll wear this separately and this separately if I'm anytime styling this. And this costed me 110 as well in the sale. Uh, I got 2 more sets of these. This is in multicolor, which comes with earrings like this, very lightweight. And another set I have. I want to show you this, like how it looks. I like this. Okay. Wow, it's actually beautiful. It's very lightweight. This thread is also really good. And it has earrings. Very beautiful ones. Okay. And if you're a person who doesn't want to invest too much on these kind of jewelries, this is the best option. Doesn't look that cheap, low quality, very lightweight and budget friendly. Just within 150 rupees you can consider. I got it to 110, but now the sale has finished. It might cost you around 170 rupees maybe now. I think I like this one. With kurta and sari, it might look good. I think, yeah, I'm done with my jewelry haul, whatever I wanted to show. Things I bought from Myntra. Hope you guys liked it. I'll be adding all the products in the description box with the links. If you guys like any of the pieces I showed, you can buy from there. Thanks for watching. See you again. Bye bye.